Good morning mga boss. Once again, your Kuya Elmer here from Kuya Elmer to Trade. So it's April 30, 2025. So this is the last day of the month. So mga boss, for today's unit demo mga boss, no? Actually this is the part 3 sa to ang car unit demo sa atong client from last secure last day. Ng atong gidingon do ka unit just Mirage 2015 hatchback and 2016 Toyota Wigo G. So of course normal sa client, kumbaga choose the best among the best. Why problema mga boss, kay sa akong gibutang jud sa end every time sa akong video is here at Kuya Elmer to Trade, we can choose more than 3,000 set of cars. So when you say set of cars, kompleto na from hatchback, sedans, going to crossover, SUV, pickup, sports car, and more. So today, padung tayo sa Country Mall kay ato i-check ang ihang third option. It's a 2019 Mitsubishi Mirage hatchback. So mo ginaiyahang ipangita ang hatchback nga Mirage. So let's go mga boss.